Hey folks, welcome back to the Backyard Railroader. Today we're going to do some track cleaning and get some trains running. It's been a long cold winter, and with the spring here, it's time to get some work. So let's get started. See you in a bit. So for the track cleaning, what I'm using is again the lemon juice. I just wipe on the lemon juice, scrub it down a little bit. See if I can get the track nice and clean with the lemon juice. And now I'm washing down the track with some dish soap and water to wash the lemon juice off. If you leave the lemon juice on, what it will do is start to tarnish your track. So you want to remove as much of the lemon juice as you can. And again, cleaning with the lemon juice, just working my way down the track, getting everything nice and shiny. And again, washing it all down with just soap and water, get all the lemon juice off of it. And here I've got a paper towel, and I'm just wiping off the soap suds and any of the dirt that's left behind, and that leaves me with a nice shiny rail. Well, after a lot of track cleaning, I got the TH&B line running. There she's going past. Got the new CP rail boxcar going as well. And I've taken all the new track, just trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. This is kind of my proposal. It's got the back piece here. Comes down and around. Right here I put a switch in, bringing her off and lowering the grade. That's not the grade, but that's the way it's going to run. I'm going to bring it down here and hook it up to my other loop. Bring it around the back. Bring it through my tunnel. And bring it up here. Around my shed. And I'd like to bring it up this way. And connect it in here to the back circle. Because eventually I'm going to get some double-decker cars and stuff like that, and they will not fit through my tunnel. So I need a way to bypass the tunnel and bring it back around here. Plus, in this area by my shed, this is the location where I'm going to put my train yard, and the train shed I'm building is going to go right here. So I'm going to have a track leading to it. But so there we go. Well, folks, that's it for today. Guess I'm done. So if you would, please like this video, subscribe, and as always, remember, talk about trains. See you later.